That's Not Heavy Duty. And in today's segment of That's Not Heavy Duty, I want to play a video for you from at TikTok Truckering, where he shared his experience at a repair center on November 7th, 2023. Let's watch the video.
Here's one of those EV trucks I was telling you about. Apparently they do break down a lot. This particular one is blocking my truck, which I just got in service. And then this other truck, a CNG truck, is also blocking it. So I paid $3,000 and hopefully I can get it out of here soon. Later.
Okay, so he counted over 20 EVs in the yard that day. And a couple of the reasons that those EVs were there and broken down was because they had run out of battery charge. And therefore, when they ran out of charge, there was some issue. They weren't able to recharge them and get them going again. So they had to bring them into a repair center to get them fixed and get them back on the road. I think what this video illustrates to me is that, you know, when I think of being heavy duty, I think of being tough, resilient, and ready to go to work. And these early EVs definitely have their issues. And in time, there is no doubt they're going to get better, but it may be very expensive right now to be an early adopter. Another reason why I think if you can, it's probably a good idea to be patient, to wait and see how things go, and to pick the right time to make the transition from ICE to BEV for your fleet.